Welcome to the IoT Trailblazer Podcast. I'm your host Ritu Mandal. In today's episode, Smart Screens and Strong Ties, we will be diving into understanding how digital signages are helping businesses communicate and how the right partnerships are helping us power these transformations. Joining us today is Mr. Aashish Sharma, Managing Director, World AV Solutions. Aashish, it's a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you, Ritu. I am also excited to be here.
Aashish, you had a very impressive journey in the AV space. Now, how did this passion of AV turn into World AV Solutions?
Absolutely. I have always been fascinated by technology and curious about technology, how the technology interacts with the world, how does it transforms the world. So my journey with AV started around a decade ago, and it started with simple AV solutions like projectors, screens, billboards for this, the information transfers. And slowly it started to cutting edge technologies like digital signage, IoT things, and latest technologies in AV. And slowly we transformed into trusted tech audiovisual system integrators. And being in AV, we have an opportunity to work a bit across fields of industries like retail, healthcare, education, and corporates.
That's amazing, Ashish. So you have seen the complete signage evolve and even your company has grown along with it. I'm just curious to know that what basically led you to partner with JioThings and what made you think that this is the right fit?
It was a client-based challenge which came to us, a very typical client-based requirement. And it was SFTP-based storage and content ingestion. And to be very honest, we have worked with a lot of OEMs in signage industry. And the unfortunate part in our industry is that people say they can deliver, but when it comes to deliver, they don't do it. Same happened here also. Client had a very typical requirement, and people were not able to deliver. So when I discussed with Geo team, so they were not only receptive and they not only understood the the requirement of the client, but also they took it head on. And believe me, this client was very challenging. The client started with this requirement from A, B, and it ended up to Z. And with Geo, they did a heavy customization and a tailor-made solution for the customer. So because of their innovative technology and a very innovative team, the way they gave us this tailor-made solution and understood the client much better than anyone can, and they delivered it. So that really gained the confidence to us, gave the confidence to us and also the client. So that really sealed the deal for us.
Wow, that sounds like a total game changer. Now let's get to the specifics. Why JioThings and what made you think that this is it?
It's not just one thing, it's a combination of factors. The end-to-end connectivity provided by Geo, right from the hardware to the connectivity, the pan-India connectivity which Geo has, especially for the multi-location clients, and also the customized and cost-effective solution which Geo provides. That was a huge plus for us. And not only that, the important thing was also Geo's long-term commitment to innovation. And to be very honest, if you are partnering with Geo, so it's not that just you are partnering for a solution, but you are also partnering with a person who is invested in your future.
I love how you speak so highly of the partnership with JioThings. Now, changing the gears a bit, we would like to understand how was your experience with the pre-sales and the tech teams of JioThings during your solution designing and the positioning phase?
Oh, it was absolutely fantastic. Your sales team, your pre-sales team and all, they were very receptive, very collaborative, and they understood the customer's needs very well. They understood the customer needs, then they had a tailor-made demo which gave confidence to the customer that yes, the project can be done. And not only that, also the way the team, like your pre-sales, your sales, your tech development team, the way they worked, it was like absolute one unit. Like there were no different, it was not like we are talking to three different people, it was like we are talking to one team. So that was absolutely fantastic, and because of this it gave confidence to the customer, and if it gives confidence to the customer, definitely it gave confidence to us.
Now Ashish, what are the tangible benefits has this collaboration brought to your business in terms of growth and customer relationships?
It's been transformational. On the scale, now we are up to taking pan-India large projects. We don't have to bother about the geographies because of the pan-India presence of Jio. On tech side, the Jio's cloud-based modular platform, it's really a game changer. And it's not only that, the Jio's team, they are very responsive, collaborative, transparent, and it really gives us confidence the way they react to the customer's needs. So, working with Jio, it's like, you're not working with a vendor, but you're working with your own team.
This is going amazing, Ashish. But before we proceed, let's get on to a quick rapid fire round. Are you ready?
Absolutely. Bring it on.
First word that pops into your head when you hear JioSignage.
Innovative.
What's one digital signage feature that you think is truly a game changer?
Cloud-based scalability.
Most satisfying moment as a channel partner?
Of course, when the customer says they got more than what they needed.
Cloud or on-prem, what works best?
Cloud, definitely.
One word that best describes your journey with JioThings.
Transformative.
I love those answers, Ashish. Before we finish, what is your vision of the future of digital signage and your continued partnership with JioThings?
See, digital signage is just not going to be restricted to just displays and active LED walls. It's going to be, a core of every company's information delivery and day-to-day operational efficiency. In every walk of life, every company, they need information to be delivered. So with Jio's tech innovation and our agility, we will definitely be able to scale the business to newer heights and achieve and give the best and customized solutions, latest solutions to our customer. And believe me when I say this, that with JioSignage, we have just started.
Now, as we wrap up, can you suggest a book that has inspired you and you would recommend to our listeners?
The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. I think that's a book must read for the people, those who want to innovate and scale their business.
Thank you so much, Ashish, for this insightful and interesting conversation. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you stay connected for more interesting discussions from the world of IoT. Until then, stay connected and keep trailblazing.